In just 5 days, they'll be having their token generation event. Sleep.fun is still one of the most under the radar projects with less than 2,000 followers on X. They not so long ago, on the 6th of June, launched their airdrop campaign and it will be concluding on the 23rd of June. Meaning you can take advantage of this extremely underfarmed airdrop. They will be airdropping their REM token and you can earn it from computing some of your sleep data on their website, which I will show you how to do just now, plus a trick to maximize your rewards. You can also earn points from staking, which is optional, and you can earn points from creating content. So let's go to their website. I have left the link for you to join in the description. So this project is all about tracking sleep and improving user sleep quality, as you can see. Each day you'll be able to earn points from just documenting how you have slept. Just click on View Journal and on this page, just click on the various options that apply to you. Have you consumed coffee? If so, how many cups and at what time before bed? Once you're done, you'll see an option at the bottom which says Save Journal Entry and you'll get your first 200 points. You can earn even more points each day by recording between 7 and 9 hours of sleep. I will show you just know how to actually record your sleep. This will give you 500 points each day. You also get 300 points for sleep regularity and 200 points for your sleep journal entry each day. Now to learn how to actually record your sleep, click on the yellow option labeled View Connections. You'll be brought over here, just press Continue. And over here is a list of sleep and health tracking devices and apps. If you don't have any of these devices, don't worry, just scroll down a bit and choose either Fat Secret or MyFitnessPal. It's the easiest to create an account on and track your sleep. So quickly make an account of either of those apps and come back here to log into them. You'll be able to track your sleep and get those points for the upcoming airdrop. You really do not want to miss out on this airdrop. Get in now. You only have a few days left. Even if you just get 200 points, it might be worth a lot considering how little people are aware of this project. My next airdrop video will be out real soon.